Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up WordPress. Org. First, you need to choose a web hosting provider. Look for one that offers good performance and customer support, as this forms the foundation of your website. Next, select a memorable domain name, which will be your site's unique address on the internet. Finally, ensure your chosen hosting plan meets WordPress's technical requirements, typically PHP version 7.4 or greater, and MySQL version 5.6 or greater. Once your hosting and domain are ready, it's time to install WordPress. Many hosting providers offer a convenient one-click installer, which can get your site up and running in just a few minutes. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can manually download the WordPress software and upload it via FTP. Remember to create a new MySQL database and user within your hosting control panel. This database will store all your site's content. After the files are in place, navigate to your domain in a web browser to begin the famous 5-minute installation. You'll be prompted to select your language, then enter your database details. Next, create your site title, a secure administrative username, and a very strong password. Finally, you can adjust general settings like your site's tagline and choose a user-friendly permalink structure for your posts and pages. With WordPress successfully installed, it's time to personalize your site. Start by choosing and installing a theme that aligns with your brand and content. There are thousands of free and premium options available. Next, enhance functionality by adding essential plugins for security, search engine optimization, and site performance. Finally, begin populating your website by creating your initial pages and compelling blog posts to share your message with the world.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.